I think we cannot underestimate the impact of COVID. We certainly are seeing, since COVID, we're certainly seeing across the world massive increases in anxiety in young people.
In a broader general sense,
Yep.
general younger population have higher levels of anxiety comparison to
Yep.
their previous generation, and it's been increasing. Partly because people are more tuned to what they emotionally feel and they are speaking out, but partly of what's happened, whether they were young and what's the cultural context. So could you also put more light on why there is higher cases of ADHD, higher cases of mental health issues in the younger generation these days?
I think some of the points you raised are true. I think there's more awareness. I think we cannot underestimate the impact of COVID. We certainly are seeing, since COVID, we're certainly seeing across the world massive increases in anxiety in young people, significant increases in concern about the future. COVID was one part of that, but then young people are looking at environmental damage. They're looking at Palestine and Israel and going, what sort of life is there for me if this is what is happening? So that definitely creates more impact on their anxiety levels. And that doesn't necessarily, what am I trying to say? That is people who from all backgrounds, all cultural backgrounds are going, what is happening in the world environmentally, what's happening, doesn't feel safe. So the anxiety is definitely increasing. And existentialists such as myself would go, well, existentialism is really about your life trajectory and everything's around the meaning of life and death and everything in between. Would say, well, it's definitely existential angst built off what their experience has been. If you're a young person, before COVID, the freedom to be, you were never locked down, you never had any experience of death being totally in your face, where COVID, certainly the languaging originally around that was everyone's at risk of dying. So it definitely created an increased level of fear for everybody, parents, and then they should put that onto their children.